You only need a few basic ingredients to make this Puerto Rican sofrito. Start by rinsing the ingredients. Puerto Ricans use ají dulce chili peppers and the herb cilantro.
We couldn't find those here in Montreal.
So we went with a slightly adapted recipe that's also very popular. Instead of cilantro, we used double the amount of coriander. Wash it well and leave to dry. Roughly chop up the peppers. It's nice to have a variety of colors. They say eating a rainbow of colors is good for you. This is Guillermo's technique for chopping peppers. Add the peppers to a large bowl. Now roughly chop the onions. You'll be blending everything, so no need to dice. Add the onions to the bowl. This recipe uses a ton of garlic. It's so good for you. You can buy peeled garlic, but we peeled ours ourselves. Add it in and mix it all up with your hands. You'll need to blend in batches. Blend well and keep doing this until you've blended all the ingredients. This is a very big batch of sofrito. You can make half or a quarter, but it's so useful to use in lots of foods that it's worth it to make the full amount. If you're enjoying our video, please help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate your support. This was our first time making a sofrito, and we've fallen in love with it. We've been using it as a base for lots of cooking. You can also store any extra sofrito in ice cube trays in the freezer. After the cubes have frozen, transfer them to a Ziploc bag to store in the freezer. This is the amazingly delicious Puerto Rican Arroz con Salchichas we made with our sofrito. If you like this video, we think you'll love these too.